Dell WD19 docking station with 180W AC power adapter, 130W power delivery. Boost your PC's power on the world's most powerful and first modular dock with a future-ready design. Note: this docking station includes a 180W power adapter, but only delivers 130W of power to the laptop due to the power requirements of the dock itself. If your laptop requires more than 130W of power to run, you may need to have a power supply connected to the laptop. For the best experience with Precision 7530 or 7730, choose the Dell Performance Dock WD19DC, which comes with a dual USB-C connector that provides up to 210W power delivery. So you no longer need an additional power adapter. Built for the future. Mix and match, evolve as your needs change with our most versatile dock. The future-ready design lets you swap out modules with ease if you need to do field replacements or upgrade your systems. Ultimate connectivity, USB-C connectivity makes it easier than ever to deliver power, data, audio and video in one con.